The house hippo is the subject of a Canadian television public service announcement (PSA) produced by Concerned Children's Advertisers, now known as Companies Committed to Kids, in May 1999. The narration of the piece is in the style of a hinterland who's who spot, showing footage and describing the behavior of the North American house hippo, a fictional animal found throughout Canada and the eastern United States. The hippo is shown foraging for the crumbs of peanut butter toast in a kitchen, escaping from a house cat, and making a nest from lost mittens to go to sleep. Their stated intent is to educate children about critical thinking with regard to what they see in television advertising, and remind them that it's good to think about what you're watching on TV, and ask questions. A 2016 survey showed that 14% of students in the University of British Columbia born between 1990 and 2000 still believe in the North American house hippo. European company Media Smart adapted the footage in 2002 to create a new commercial for UK television. The UK version was considerably shorter and featured new narration and background music as well as a new ending promoting the company's website.